na studies which during that time hindi na undertake, and ang AO na mismo ang nag volunteer na na i-repair.
Pero di ba after the first incident, may order na, I don't know how true is this, may order ang CEO for the Aeon construction to be temporarily halted.
There was no such order kasi.
Ganun ba?
Oo. Kasi we would have known if
Yes,
there was such an order, no? So, as far as we're concerned, no order came from the CEO.
Pero yung mga engineers, did sa, anong term yun yung structural soundness ng building na ito?
You mean a due diligence of the...
I mean, you did test right after,
Yes.
Today. You did test on the other,
Well, as a matter of fact, our structural consultants are flying in tomorrow.
Okay.
To inspect the building, Ayun, so of course, we're quite confident naman as far as our construction team is concerned about the soundness of the
Yes.
of the structure of the building, but just to keep just for everyone's peace of mind, of course, we need the structural people to say that.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
I see.
Sir, may injury po ba?
No injuries, no third-party injuries, no third-party property damage.
Sir, baka natanong na to, pero ilan po yung estimated cost ng damage?
Right now kasi it's still hard to determine kasi ina-assess pa yung damage. So may ongoing na inspection ngayon ng City Engineer's Office.
Ano yung may specific request ba yung management ng Abrisa to the City Engineer's Office to look into the ongoing construction at Aeon Towers and hopefully temporarily stop this?
Well, we've been in touch with the City Engineer's Office, requesting their assistance, and they were kind enough to send their people here to inspect the damage. Of course, it will depend on their assessment, but of course, we're also concerned about further damage to the property. That's why we'll be requesting them for assistance. Excuse me. Hello, Jack. Hello.